When you're ready to get your courses into your WordPress website, you want the easiest route possible. You don't want to have to haggle with code or try to figure out which plugins play nice with each other. But which one's out there that has all of the features you've been looking for? I might have just found it. Let's take a look at MasterStudy LMS and I'll show you their top 5 features. MasterStudy has that drag and drop builder on the front end, which allows the instructor to easily create complex courses. They've empowered us with easy tools, and there's no way to feel overwhelmed by broken designs or having to learn HTML to build nice looking landing pages for your learners. Give your learners an elevated experience by adding more media. There are 5 different lesson types: text lesson, video, slides, online streams, and Zoom meetings. And 8 different interactive quizzes that will support your learner in measuring their knowledge and celebrating their success. One of their newest features is their email branding and content editor. This will help the instructor organize the email sequence based on specific events, like when a student enrolls in the course, or when an instructor leaves a comment for the learner. They have a dedicated editor for building these emails and designing them as you want. Now, this gives your learner access to content only after they've completed your required lesson or quizzes. Simply put, this feature gives you a way to keep your learners on track with building block concepts, ensuring their growth from lesson to lesson. And when they've completed your course, let's celebrate with a certificate. When you go pro, you get all sorts of additional add-ons that you can stack into your program, giving your learners even more of a great experience. And one of those is that certificate builder. This is one of their killer features. Certificate Builder allows the instructor to create a unique and standalone certificate for the course by using this certificate builder with custom merge tags. You're gonna love this, and so are your learners. They've got that live demo area that you're able to go over to their own website and try it out all for yourself. Please go explore this plugin. They do have a free and a pro version, so some of these features might only be available in that pro version, but you're able to go see all of it over on their website. I'll put the link in the description box below. I hope this has been helpful for you. I'll see y'all next WordPress Wednesday. Bye, everyone.